Okay, so there are 4 directions along which you can win. You can win across, down or up, in or out, and around, or in any combination of these directions. So first, let's cover across. You can move here to start out with, say, and then if you're going for a cross, you move 1 triangle across in this direction, and there's your second point, and you move across again, and then there's your 3 in a row. And notice we're staying on the same spot on the triangle, on each of these triangles, going across, since we're only winning along one of the directions. So start here, 1 across here, that's 2 in a row, and 1 more across there, and that's 3 in a row. So similarly with down, you can start out with your first piece here on the top middle triangle, then move down 1 triangle to the center triangle, play your next piece, and then move 1 more down, and on the third triangle, play your third piece. So notice we're at the same upper middle spot on each of these triangles, and we're just moving 1 triangle down each time. So that's how you win by moving down. So now for moving in and out, this is a little bit different. So you pick 1 triangle, so you're on 1 triangle the whole time, and you can move from the center to the outside of the triangle. So you can go here, 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 any of those 3. So if we start, say, here, on this point, then we move 1 point more to the outside of the triangle, put our next piece, and we move 1 point out to the outside of the triangle, and we play our last piece. So there we go. We have 1, 2, 3 in a row going to the outside of the triangle. So now we have our last way to win along one of the directions, and this is around. So you can start on any of these points. So we'll start here for the moment. And then we go once around clockwise. Now we're here for our second in a row. And then we go once more around clockwise, staying on the same height. So staying on the same height and staying on the same triangle. And we have our third in a row. So now everything gets a little bit more interesting when we try to combine ways to win. So we're going to combine the across with going in and out of the triangle. Okay, so we'll start, say here. Now we go 1 triangle across, and we go 1 out, and we end up here. Repeating this again, we go 1 triangle across on the same spot, and then again out, and end up here. So we go across, out, across, out. So that's along 2 dimensions. So we're going across each time, and we're going out each time. So that's how it's along 2 dimensions, or 2 directions. Okay, so let's try another one along multiple directions. So we can start up, say, the middle center. And for this time, we're going to go down and we're going to go around at the same time. Okay. So we start out here. Let's say we go around first. So we go around to here. And now we go one down. And so we're right here. And now we do this again. So we go around. Now we're here. And we go down. And now we're here. So this is a 3 in a row going around and down, because we go around, down. There's one. Around, down. There's the last one. So 1, around, down, 2, around, down, 3. So that's 3 in a row going around and down. Now, you don't have to be limited to one direction or to 2 directions. You can also even do 3 and 4 directions. The key is that as you add more directions, you have to do one step in each of those directions each time. So let's say we want to go for all of the directions. So we want to go across, down, out, and around. And we want to do these all at once. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now each time from one move to the next move, we have to do each of these. So if we start in this upper left-hand triangle, we want to go, starting here, we want to go across, and now we're here, down, now we're here, out to this one right here, and around. So now we're there. And this is the most complicated combination of moves that you can possibly get. But notice we went across, down, out, and around. Across, down, out, and around. Now we're here. So we do the same thing again. So we go across, down, out, and around. And now we're here. So notice we went along all 4 of the directions at the same time. So across, down, out, and around. Across, down, out, and around. So 1, 2, 3. All in a combination of these directions. So now you can just mix and match any of these. So you can go, say, down and out. So each time you move in one direction, you have to move in the other direction. So you move one down, one out, another down, another out, and a third one down, and a third one out, and that gives you your 3 in a row. And you can do any combination of these you'd like to win the game.